Him. 2.8.
Nah, a little bit faster than that.
Beam ain't read me, but it's alright.
You guys have over me 15.
It's alright.
Come on.
No, that ain't right.
Hey,
You're running 62. That's a good.
let's go, Dave. Check my bed out. He at home. He got socks on, chilling.
Them tires be gripping today.
Alright. Graduate. Dave's just cruising.
Right lane, right lane.
Good race, fellas.
You got this, Trevor. Just heat them tires up like you've been doing.
Do you?
Nice and sticky, yeah, you can hear it.
He got you off the light.
And he drove around the car that was in the middle of the road.
Burn him some more. Get the jump on that light.
There you go, Jack. One more.
That's why you got it.
One more.
One more. That was 2 races already, or that was Grudge race?
That was it.
That was it. Yeah.
Yeah, good thing, bro. Nice run. Race for sure. You red lighted again in the left lane?
No. Got it. Yeah. Nice one, man. Got it.
Come dap him up, little man. Dap him up. Give him a dap after beat him.
Good race. Good
Beat
race.
that old man like that? No, that shit ain't
Couldn't get the
alive.
wheels back on the ground.
Yes.
Steer.
But you had it going on a wheelie bar the whole time. Nice race.
It twisted a little bit.
Still. You read it again? Nice letter. I've been here since 7:30 this morning. It is 5:01.
Drizzy, I think the rain missed us, so I know.
Coming back there though.
Balante, balante, balante. They smell inside, it's burning.
Cody don't play that shit, make sure.
Yeah, we can do that now. You gotta reprogram my remote phone. Woo!
Nice run.
That's a good one.
Right lane. Nice run, fellas. Nice run.
Good race. Good race.
He turned up in that right lane. Yeah, he got his shit down. And he broke. He nearly ain't entered. Imagine he take the power.
That's usually how it happens. Look at Charlie last week.
Got him again. Sit down, straight in. Nice run, fellas. Nice run. 2-2.
That was a good race.
Oh, that was a race.
Nice. I like that time. That was at least a turn.
Get the fuck out of here. That ain't live, bro. That ain't live, bro. It did not lie right there. New track record with a street eliminator. Congrats to that brother. He ran a 1.9. Y'all see that? That man ran a 1.9, bro. Hell of a run, fellas. We got one of his fast cars out there. Let's get the next one. Shout out to the tuner. Shout out to the tuner who tuned that car. Only person in Mass left right here is Little Man with a stock VXL system. Shout out to him and his pops. If he can get past this round right now, he will be in the finals. You racing still? All right, y'all. This is the semi-finals right here, right? So only 2 drivers gonna be left from it.
I think it's 6 left. So.
No, it was 4 races.
Oh, is it 4 races?
Yeah, so it's gonna be 2 races left.
All right.
Good race, little man. Good race. Good race. Let's go, Trevor. You got this. Let's go, Trevor. Nice run. Nice run. I just missed that race. Cody took the right lane. This is semi-finals. Pot, I believe, is over 1,000. Oh yeah, light up. Double red? Remember who threw the race? Nah. Oh, set it up, Benji. What we waiting on? We all looking for the race and this shit ain't even ready. Nice run, Chris. Nice run. At least you was your own teammate. You can't be that mad. Now you can still root for somebody.
I got $5 in right lane.
Yeah. Fastest. You believe it? I believe it. Bro, you didn't. Good to go, y'all.
May the best man win.
No.
There it is.
Nice run, fellas. Made it to the semifinals. Made it to the semifinal. Dirty Den. All right, guys, this is the final. The pot is $960. Second place will walk away with 20%. First place will walk away with 80%. And that is what we got coming towards us. It's right above us now. But hopefully it holds out. We get this event going. Then we might even do 7 scale. We'll see. The rain holds out. So this is the finals. It's even drizzling right now on us. Hold up. Restart. Heat up and then go in. I was supposed to spec check. You didn't even remind me. Cody. Keep going, Cody. Keep going. There you go. Won't red light you now. One and one. Told you, Cody. I'm running that back. I'm not even waiting on that to decide who red it's gonna get ran back. It's gonna get ran back. Too much money for that to tell me. We're gonna run that back. Run it back. It's gonna tell you who run, but I'm not going. You gotta run that back. Too much. Yeah.
I don't care. I run it back.
Yeah. I want it fair and square. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, bro. I'm gonna call you in 10 minutes.
You might not want to wait.
Yeah, he try to wait. I told him.
I literally thermal cut after the fucking line.
Good run.
Woo!
That's good.
Good
Race, bro. Nice.
Great fucking racing. Nice run, Cody. RNS for the win.
Home, baby. Brought it home, baby.
All right, this is where the pot sat at all day.
Let's go! Alright, thermal cut at you did too?
Both of you guys.
Literally,
All right,
thermal cut right
guys,
at
this
the end.
200, that's 20%. Thank you. And this is 740. Nice racing, guys. This is for you as well.
Woo!
Sign your name there.
I'm shaking right now.
Put the money with the cup.
Round of applause for these guys.
Here, how do I'm an awkward motherfucker. Here, let me figure this out. Hold on.
Put the money.
Let me get a picture with both of y'all.
I'm just gonna kneel.
We're gonna blow away.
Ready?
Shout out to Cody. Took it home today. CT, shout out to CT, man. Cody signing the certificate. Shout out to him for the win today. Thanks for coming out.
Cody. Take a picture.
1 and 2. 1 and 2.
Yeah.
¿Cuánto
Yeah, bro. Race.
That's what it's all about. That's why I throw the event, man. That right there. Everybody came out, had a great day. We about to get 7 scale, push it real. We got this. Huh? We got this. Let's get down there. I missed the first race, but Johnny's up 1 in the left lane. It's 1 and 1 right now. 7 scale class. Oh, yeah.
Woo!
That was a win. You broke though, Benji. All right, guys. This is the race number 2 beginning again. Johnny lost a screw, so he fixed.
That was race number 3.
No. I'm just saying, y'all back again. And then Benji broke, racing Chris.
Ready to have your ass.
Shut down on you, right, Johnny? Middle of the track. That's crazy. All right, this is the semifinals of the 7 scale class. We got Brian versus Chris. That was a race. No. Nice landing.
That wasn't too bad.
See if it drives back.
I think so. Once it shut off.
Yeah, it's still driving.
I'm a strong, baby.
It gave it to the left lane. Yeah. Because he jumped over the beam. Me and Chris in the finals for the 7 scale. 7 scale, 8 scale, should I say. Both red lighter.
Yeah? You want it back or?
Yeah, we're gonna run it back. You wanna run it back? Huh?
Depends on how the next race goes.
No, he gave it to me. That's why I'm asking if you want to run that first race back. My bad. I'm all in your lane and shit. I'm tired. That's fun, bro. You got me last time. I had to get your ass this time. Alright, I want to shout out to everybody who came today. Shout out to Josh, Kyle, Trevor. Big shout out to Trevor, man. For real, he did his thing today. Shout out to Brian, Kevin, Johnny. We got Chris, Dan still out here, Benji packing up. Cody, shout out to Cody. He took the Street Eliminator class today. Shout out to everybody, man, for coming out today. It was a great day. We had fun. Can't wait for the next one. Me and Benji out here fooling around. You got an RS4. Try to show him which one is the real deal, you know what I'm saying? That's how you drive. Get through there. Get through there on his ass. Get through there on his ass. Benjito! Hey, you ran a faster time than him. I know, I see it, but you ain't win. Yeah, I'm asleep again. I was all like this, corrected. Hold on, watch this next one. Fix up, real quick. Benji, I'm gonna get up in there. Motherfucker pink, boy. 1.7 on there, yeah. Let me see it. Fuck, I said. And the tires is bald. Wait till I get some brand new one for your ass, Benjito, Benjito. Oh, look at your shit twinkling. You trying to look like me coming back?
Should we see if people want to throw a few bucks in for gas for the generator?
Only one night? Oh, yeah.
I got that. I got that. Yeah.
I'll throw some money in.
How you good, bro? You good. I appreciate that. That's smart. That's smart. You wasn't letting off that motherfucker.